Today, our learning will focus on these three shared values within Hispanic and Latinx home cultures. This information is important for teachers to know because it helps create a more inclusive and supportive learning environment. Understanding Latinx culture backgrounds allows teachers to better connect with and relate with their students. It also helps teachers recognize and appreciate the strengths and assets that these students bring to the classroom. By incorporating culturally responsive teaching practices, teachers can create a sense of belonging and validate the experiences of Latinx students, ultimately promoting their academic success and well-being. It's important that we learn about Hispanic and Latinx culture because nearly half of our students identify within these cultures. We start from the premise that identifying shared values within our Hispanic and Latinx culture will help us be more responsive in our instruction. It's a place to start. While today we're learning more about these three shared values, we need to acknowledge that Hispanic and Latinx culture students are not a monolith, and there are cultural differences between people with roots in Bolivia, Spain, or even in Cuba. For example, we are not going to learn about all of the nuances and differences here. We encourage you to extend your learning by talking with students and watching films and reading articles.